in the box?
Hi, my name's Patrick, and today's What's in the Box, we got a package from Target. So, without further ado, let's open it up and see what's in the box. Let's open these up and see what we got. This is kind of exciting. But what we are a fan of is the Funko Pop that was inside. Number 706, Queen Amidala, which is a Target exclusive, which is a retro series of the original one, I believe, that came out previously, that I know I couldn't get and a lot of others weren't able to grasp. But this looks really good, and I'm almost wondering, and I'm going to pull this out of the box in a second, but just looking at it, I'm wondering if this is so similar or different from that original blue box Queen Amidala, because that scope looks pretty dope right here. So I'm not sure if it's been improved upon or not, but it looks pretty good. Let's get it out of the box and take a better look. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this. Just looking at it out of the packaging, looks absolutely amazing. Just like you would expect, Queen Amidala looks awesome. I don't know, I just think the detail on this in that graphic novel form, you've got like the highlights and the shadows done within it with the black lines and stuff. It looks really cool. It gives it that comic book graphic novel appeal. And I've just always liked it. And this is a great pop to have. Always wanted the blue box Queen Amidala, and she always kind of escaped me. But not so much on this one. Very excited to have this one finally in the collection. But let's get her on the turntable so you get a better look at her. All right, let's open the second box that we got here. For this one, we got number 707, Darth Maul, which again is a Target exclusive. Very excited to have this guy. Again, this is a really cool Funko Pop to have. I have this kind of original kind of mold, which is more blue box. I think I have the black box version of that. But anyway, excited to have this guy. Let's open him up and take a better look at him. And if there's any box that I like, I really do like the kind of retro series. Now this box, different on the back, doesn't have like the comic book cover, but regardless, I do like them. I like this series. So let's take a look at Maul himself. Great little Funko Pop. Again, it looks like they reused the original mold from the older, kind of more thicker hero pose pop. Doesn't look too much different from that. Pretty cool looking pop though. I love they did the hilt in like a yellow. Again, taking with the comic book kind of effect to it. Pretty cool. Very nice looking overall. And the detail on the face is really good. You really have, it's not just painted on the black, but it's like really kind of etched in and grooved into the face. Really cool. And I love the idea of the white highlights against the black, to pull out highlights and everything on the pop. Again, very graphic novel, kind of, we had that blackboard that you can scratch with the white. Very cool effect. Love this Funko Pop. Let's get him on the turntable so you can get a better look at him. All right, let's get this third box open. Let's see what we got in here. And rounding out that series, we have another retro series. We got number 700, Jarjarbinks, which we did get the normal version of the 25th anniversary of Jar Jar. But again, the graphic novel, look at this. The graphic novel appeal on this is just phenomenal. It really does look like the artwork has left off a comic strip. It's just so good. So good. I really love the line, the way they saturate the colors, the gradation on him, really in his face just looks great. But doing it in the box is not doing it any justice. Let's get him out of the box and take a look at Jar Jar. But yeah, this looks great. Looks great. I really enjoyed looking at this guy. Very, again, same sculpt, same pose, but it looks dramatically different as a comic book, as a graphic novel kind of style to it. That's why I think the retro series is so cool. Just look at that. The color on that is so vivid, so saturated. I just really love it. It came out so nice looking. So really, really excited to have these three from the retro. So I believe the only one I'm missing quite right now is the Obi-Wan Kenobi of this line, of this series, of this wave. And then I think I ordered a second battle droid because I want to eventually customize that one to be different. So I haven't quite figured out how or what, but I know he's going to get customized. So I hope you enjoyed today's content, and we got to put all three of these on the turntable so you can get a better look at them, the packaging and everything. But I'm more curious, which one of these did you pick up? Did you pick any of these up? Do you like this line of the retro series? 25th anniversary, they're finally hitting the stores. So kind of curious, do you enjoy the retro series? Are you going to pick them up? Please leave that in the comments. Love to hear from you. Well, that's do it for today. So if you enjoyed this content, please hit the like, definitely hit the subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode of Poptography. Until then, may the force be with you.